In this video, we will learn how to create array controls and indicators. We can create an array front panel control or indicator by placing an array shell and dragging a data object or elements such as a numeric, Boolean, string and path, a refnum, or cluster control, or indicator into the shell. The element cannot be another array. Or a chart if the element is a graph. Its type cannot be an array, but it can be a cluster that contains arrays. So here are the steps to create an array control or indicator. Add an array shell to the front panel. An array shell includes an index display on the left, an element display on the right, and an optional label. If the controls array is not already visible, right-click the element display or the front panel window to display the controls palette. Drag a control or indicator into the array shell. For example, drag a numeric control into the array shell. If we attempt to drag an invalid control or indicator into the array shell, we are unable to add the control or indicator to the array shell. An example of an invalid control or indicator is an XY graph. We can copy or drag an existing array control from the front panel window to the block diagram window. Which now appears as an array constant. Resize the array to add elements to the array. We can export data from arrays to locations such as Microsoft Excel. Right-click an array and select Export from the shortcut menu to view available export options.